So first what I'm gonna do is just unclip this face cover. What I just did, I just used a screwdriver. Where's the head bit? I've got one of these ones. And what I basically do, yeah, obviously you can change, you can use any one. But yeah, so I use this and I literally just unclip the sides. And it just literally pops out. Cool, once that's off, literally I'm gonna unscrew these little screws. I don't know if you can see that. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I unscrew that quickly? And yeah, this off. And obviously this will be fast forward. Now the 4 screws are out. It's time to pull this out. Get this out. Obviously just do the little, I don't know the word for it. But yeah, we're gonna take out all this and try to place the new one, see how it looks. Yeah. Obviously, this is the box. The new device, not even device. What do you call this? LCD screen. It's gonna go there. Boom. Came with a few wires. Came with these ones. What do you think these are for? Oh, the aux. So if you want to connect to extra speakers or anything, you can do that. And what else comes in here? This is the screen itself. So I show you guys. Yeah, this is the screen itself. It's a big screen, you know. And nice. Like that. It's got some weight to it as well, you know. Like that. Have some wires as well. Literally, we're gonna try to connect it. See what wires needs to go where. And yeah, we go from there. Hopefully, this don't take too much of our time. But yeah, we move. But yeah, let's go. Let's see how it goes. Boom! Here we go. This is the end result. Looking nice. LCD screen. Has a lot of features on it. Mic. Obviously the volume buttons, Bluetooth control, navigation. Yeah, it's got a whole bunch of stuff on it. And yeah, I haven't really explored in it, but looking good so far. Gonna look at it, go through it, see the features, and yeah. But alright, we out.